All right, welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into something that's really shaking up the world of software development. It's called vibe coding. Now, the big promise here is that you can build an app just by, well, describing it. But is it really that easy? Let's dig in and see what's what.
Just think about that for a second. What if you, yes, you, could bring an idea to life without writing a single line of code? You just explain your vision in plain English. That's the crazy, powerful idea behind all of this.
Okay, so let's get right to it. What is vibe coding? How does it actually work, this magic of going from just an idea to a full-blown app, like instantly? So first off, this isn't just some made-up term floating around the internet. Nope. It was actually coined back in early 2025 by the AI researcher Andrej Karpathy. He needed a way to describe this huge shift he was seeing, this move away from typing out code line by line and towards, just having a conversation with an AI to build something.
So at its heart, vibe coding is exactly what it sounds like. It's about using your intuition, your vibe, to guide an AI. You stop worrying about every little semicolon and bracket. Instead, you just describe what you want, and the AI becomes your coder, handling all that complex syntax to make your idea actually work.
And the way it works is this really fast kind of conversational loop. You start by telling it what you want. Hey, build me a login page. The AI spits it out, you run it, you look at it, and you're like, okay, that's a good start, but now add a forgot password link. And you just keep going back and forth like that, refining it, until you get exactly what you want. It's a continuous conversation.
All right, and this leads us to the really exciting part, the promise of instant creation. We're talking about a dream of speed and accessibility that could completely change the game.
And the upside here is, well, it's huge. First, the speed is just unbelievable. Prototypes that used to take weeks, now we're talking hours. This literally democratizes development. You could be an entrepreneur, a designer, anyone with a great idea but no coding skills, and suddenly you can build things. It completely unlocks your creative freedom because those technical hurdles just disappear. Your momentum never stops. So when you put them side by side, the difference is just night and day. Think of it like this. Traditional coding makes you a bricklayer. You have to place every single brick perfectly, worrying about syntax, structure, all those low-level details. Vibe coding, it turns you into the architect. You're focused on the grand design, the big picture, the idea. You're directing this tireless AI crew that handles all the grunt work for you. Okay, but it can't all be sunshine and roses, right? That incredible speed has a flip side. There are some serious hidden dangers here. It's a real double-edged sword. So here's the catch. What you gain in speed, you can easily lose in quality. The code the AI writes, it can be messy, inefficient, a real nightmare to maintain down the road. We call that technical debt. Even worse, it might completely miss huge security holes, or it might hallucinate, which is a wild concept where it literally just invents functions that don't even exist. And this all leads to the black box problem. Yeah, your app works, but you have no idea how. And if you don't know how it works, how can you ever really fix it or trust it? And that right there is the big paradox, isn't it? You get this incredible rocket ship launch, but you might be building on a foundation of sand. All that speed up front can lead to a painful, grinding halt later on when you're stuck trying to clean up the mess. So the big question is, where does this leave the human developer? Is their job over? No way, not at all. But the role is definitely changing. It's evolving from being a coder to being more of an AI director. Yeah, your job isn't about hammering out every single line of code anymore. Now it's about guiding the AI, verifying its work, and most importantly, taking ultimate ownership of the final product, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And this new role demands a totally new set of skills. It's not just about coding anymore. It's about prompt engineering, learning how to talk to the AI to get what you want. It's about strategic architecture, designing the big picture system. And then, and this is crucial, it's about quality control and critical thinking. You have to review everything the AI gives you. You have to audit it. You absolutely cannot trust it blindly. That's the new job. There's this developer meme that just nails this whole problem. It says, I coded, pigeons can fly, but the AI made it fly with its head, not its wings. And that's it, right there. You can give a perfectly logical command, but the AI has zero common sense, zero context. It can follow the letter of the law while completely missing the spirit. And that's why a human in the loop isn't just a good idea, it's non-negotiable. So where are we headed with all this? What's our AI-powered future actually look like? Well, it seems to be pointing toward a brand new kind of partnership.
The most important thing to get your head around is this. AI is a tool. It's an unbelievably powerful tool for sure, but it's not a replacement for a human. The real win, the real goal is to blend the two together, to take our human creativity and our strategic thinking and pair it with the incredible speed and efficiency of an AI. And this really sums up the future of the job perfectly. The saying goes, AI won't replace developers. But, and this is the important part, developers who use AI will replace those who don't. The threat isn't the machine. It's falling behind. Adapt or get left behind. Which leaves us with one last big question to chew on. In a world full of AI co-pilots, a world where the AI can handle the how, does our most valuable skill shift to mastering the what and the why? Maybe, just maybe, the real superpower is no longer about having all the answers, but about knowing how to ask all the right questions.